गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન એનો પાર્ટ 2 બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન એનો એક ટાઈપ 3 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો। નાઉ ટાઈપ 4 ફાઇન્ડ પેરામીટર્સ ઓફ બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ફ્રોમ મીન એન્ડ વેરિયન્સ। વી નો ધેટ the parameters are n and p. We also know that mean of binomial distribution is np and variance is npq. Standard deviation is under root npq. First example of type 4, example number 1, for a binomial distribution mean is equal to 4 and variance is equal to 2, find its parameter and p of x lesser than or equal to 2. Here it is given that mean is equal to 4 and variance is equal to 2. So mean means NP, NP is equal to 4, variance means NPQ, NPQ is equal to 2. Here NP is given, NP is equal to 4, put NP is equal to 4, so 4Q is equal to 2, Q is equal to 2 by 4, Q is equal to 1 by 2. We know that P is equal to 1 minus Q. 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Put P is equal to 1 by 2. N multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 multiplied by 2. N is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. P is equal to 1 by 2. So parameters of binomial distribution are n is equal to 8 and p is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to find out probability of p of x lesser than or equal to 2. That means p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 equal to આપેલું છે એટલે p of 2 પણ કન્સિડર થશે। ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી ફંક્શન p of x is equal to ncx p raised to n because p and q are equal. Now p of 0, n is equal to 8, 8c0, p is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 8. P of 1, 8c1, 1 by 2 raised to 8. P of 2, 8c2, 1 by 2 raised to 8. P of 3, 8c3, 1 by 2 raised to 8. And P of 4, only P of 2 સુધી જ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો, P of 2 સુધી. So 8c0 is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to 8, 256, 1 by 256, 8c1, 8, 1 by 256, 8 by 256, 8c2, 8 multiplied by 7 by 2, 28, 1 upon 256, 28 by upon 256. So 1 upon 256, 8 upon 256, 28 upon 256, 8 plus 28 plus 1, 37 upon 256. This is your second answer, 37 upon 256. Next, example number 2. For a binomial distribution, mean is equal to 7 and variance is equal to 2.25, find its parameter. Here mean is equal to given 7, variance is equal to given 2.25. Mean is equal to NP, NP is equal to 7, variance is equal to NPQ is equal to 2.25. Put NP is equal to 7. 7Q is equal to 2.25. Q is equal to 2.25 divided by 7. 2.25 divided by 7, that is 0.30. P is equal to 1 minus Q, 1 minus 0.32, 0.68. This is P. Now put P is equal to 0.68, that is n multiplied by 0.68 multiplied by 7, n is equal to 7 divided by 0.68, n is equal to 10.29, that is 10. So n is equal to 10, P is equal to 0.68. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. For a binomial distribution, mean is equal to 4 and variance is equal to 2.24, find NP and Q. So mean is equal to given 4, variance is equal to given 2.4. We know that mean is equal to NP, NP is equal to 4, variance is equal to NPQ, NPQ is equal to 2.4. Put NP is equal to 4, 4Q is equal to 2.4, Q is equal to 2.4 divided by 4, 0.6. This is first answer, Q is equal to 0.6. We know that P is equal to 1 minus Q, 1 minus 0.6, so P is equal to 0.4. This is your second answer. Put P is equal to 0.4, n multiplied by 0.4 is equal to 4, n is equal to 4 upon 0.4, n is equal to 10. This is your third answer. So n is equal to 10, P is equal to 0.4 and Q is equal to 0.6. Next, example number 4. For a binomial distribution, mean is equal to 4.5, standard deviation is equal to root under root 1.5, find value of P 3 lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to 5, P lesser than or equal to 2. First we have to find out N, P and Q. Now mean is given, mean is equal to 4.5. Second, variance is also given, variance is equal to, standard deviation is given, standard deviation is equal to under root 1.5, mean is equal to NP, NP is equal to 4.5, standard deviation is equal to under root NPQ is equal to under root 1.5, so NPQ is equal to 1.5. Put NP is equal to 4.5, 4.5 Q is equal to 1.5, 4.5 સામેની સાઈડ જશે એટલે 1.5 થી ડિવાઈડ થશે, 1.5 divided by 4.5, Q is equal to 1/3. So આપણે Q મળી ગયા. Now we have to find out P. We know that P is equal to 1 minus Q. 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. This is our P. Put P is equal to 2 by 3. N multiplied by 2 by 3 is equal to 4.5. N is equal to 4.5 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. N is equal to 4.5 multiplied by 3 divided by 6.75. 6.75. 4.5 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Okay. So N is equal to approximately 7. Now we have to find out probability of P of 3 lesser than or equal to X lesser than or equal to 5. That means P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5. Probability function P of X is equal to NCX P raised to X Q raised to N minus X. P of 3 7C3 P is equal to 2 by 3 raised to 3 Q is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 4. 7C3 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 3 divided by 2 35 multiplied by 2 raised to 3 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 8 3 raised to 3 27 1 raised to 4 1 3 raised to 4 81 35 multiplied by 8 280 27 multiplied by 81 2187. P of 4 7C4 2 by 3 raised to 4 1 by 3 raised to 3. 7C4 or 7C3 both are equal 35 multiplied by 2 raised to 4 that is 16 3 raised to 4 that is 81 1 upon 27. 16 multiplied by 35 560 divided by 2187. P of 5 7C5 2 by 3 raised to 5 1 by 3 raised to 2. 7C5 7C5 or 7C2 both are equal. 7 multiplied by 6 by 2 that is 21 multiplied by 2 raised to 5 32 81 raised to 5 243 1 upon 9. 32 multiplied by 21 672 divided by 2187. Now total of these three 280 divided by 2187 plus 560 divided by 2187 plus 672 divided by 2187. That is 1512 divided by 2187. Next, P of X lesser than or equal to 2. Second, P of X lesser than or equal to 2. That is P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. We have already P of all the three we have to find out. So P of 0 7C0 2 by 3 raised to 0 1 by 3 raised to 7. 7C0 1 1 by 3 raised to 1 1 upon 2187. 2187. P of 1, 7C1, 2 by 3 raised to 1, 1 by 3 raised to 6. 7, 2 divided by 3, 1 upon 7 to 9. 14 upon 2187. P of 2, 7C2, 2 by 3 raised to 2, 1 by 3 raised to 5. 7C2, 7 multiplied by 6 by 2, 21, multiplied by 4 upon 9, multiplied by 1 upon 243. 21 multiplied by 4, 84 upon 2187. So 1 upon 2187, 14 upon 2187, 81 upon 2187. This is 84. So 84 plus 14 plus 1, 99 upon 2187. 99 divided by 3, 33 divided by 3, 11. 2187 divided by 9, 243. This is your second answer. Last of this type, example number 5. For a binomial distribution, NP is 4, NPQ is 6, find P of x is equal to 0 and P of x is equal to 2. NP is given 4, NPQ is given 6. Put NP is equal to 4, 4Q is equal to 6. NP is equal to this is always greater than this. So NPQ is equal to 12. 6,6,6. NP is equal to 4, NPQ is equal to 6. This is 60, not 6. NP is equal to 60. So NP is equal to 16. 16 divided by NPQ is equal to 16. 6 divided by 16. So Q is equal to 3 2s and 8 4s. So P is equal to 1 minus Q, 1 minus 3 by 8, 5 by 8. Put P is equal to 5 by 8. N multiplied by 5 by 8 is equal to 16. N is equal to 16 multiplied by 8 divided by 5. 25. This is not possible. There are some mistake in example. So here our type 4 is completed. In next session we will start our next type. Thank you.